Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate hump. Niggas gotta move on my release day home. Bitch, this is fame, not clout.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be working with Beautyforever hair. They sent me this 6x4 lace frontal jerry curl natural color 24-inch wig. It is their AirNet wig, and by AirNet, as you can see, the cap is very breathable. As you can see, I can put my fingers through it, so your scalp can definitely breathe in this wig, especially in these summertime months where it's super hot outside, and you know wigs can make your head hot. So with this one, you don't have to worry about your head getting super overheated because it is breathable. It's like an AirNet, basically what the name is. So yeah, you don't have to worry about your scalp getting hot. Like I said, this wig is glueless. As you can see, it's like a wear and go. You can throw it on in the daytime, in the morning, whenever you're getting ready, and take it off at night. You do not have to glue this wig down. It is a glueless wig. It comes with an adjustable elastic band already in it. You can remove the elastic band if you would like. I personally love that it has an elastic band because I just can't do the glue anymore, especially in the summer. Glue on a wig, having a wig glued to your head in the summertime, that glue is gonna slide. Like it's not a good idea to have a glued down wig in the summertime months, especially where I'm from. It's not a good time. But look at the curl pattern on this wig. This is a jerry curl wig, and I love the texture of this wig. The curls were so pretty, so fluffy, so airy. The hair was so soft and silky, and I just loved it. I love a good jerry curl wig. Like that's like the prettiest, like super curly texture to me. Like it's so pretty. This wig was super quick to install. I just threw it on, and then I fluffed the curls up a little bit and put a little bit of my wrap lotion on it, whatever you want to call it, on there. And excuse my baby in the back, but yeah, I just did a little bit of that and I was done. Like this wig was so nice. Like I love Beautyforever hair. The quality is very nice. Their prices are very affordable. They have so many wigs to choose from. They're just like a staple brand, and they've been around for so long, and I think I've worked with them so many times I can't even count anymore. But definitely love them. You guys should definitely check them out. I will have the link to this wig and the link to the website in the description box below. Y'all know the drill. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I cannot talk. Give this video a thumbs up if you like how this wig turned out. Let me know. I may or may not have this wig on my Depop. I don't know yet. We'll see. I won't keep y'all updated. I'll just post it because that's just what I do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.